Top of the morning to you. This is Brian. Spent the day yesterday checking out a site for one of our mastermind retreats. It's a little hotel like this up in Voyagers National Park. They've got a hotel and they've got a couple of villas by the lake there. And it's a 16-mile boat ride from there all the way out to Kettle Falls. So we really enjoyed our visit there. Nice remote facility, great for a men's retreat to get together in camaraderie, and unplug, and praise the Lord, reflect on our lives, refract. We maybe need some refraction. Reflect on our role as Christ follower in our family, in ourselves first, in our family, in our home, in our business or vocation, and in the world. So not set on that being our fall retreat site, but sure enjoyed spending the day there. The boat ride out was phenomenal. Just reminds me of the old days of guiding in the boundary waters and getting away and disconnecting. My wife went along with me, so it was a pleasurable day, sharing and visiting with the other people on our boat and the other people at the facility. Little restaurant. They got a tilted floor in the bar with a platform built up that's level for the pool table. And they've got a boat portage, motor portage around the dam between Rainy Lake and Namakan, or Nam, the locals call it. And it's in the national park. And they've got, I don't know if it's 10 or 20 rooms in the hotel. They've got 4 villas with 4 apartments, might be a strong word. We weren't able to visit inside of those because they were all booked up. But enjoyed the day trip there to check out things. So the lesson or message today is, when's the last time you took a quiet downtime? When was the last time you were still and stopped striving and knew that He was God? You be blessed. And if you're interested in joining us on the retreat, now's the time to get involved in the mastermind to get to know who's going to be there with you. Give me a holler at brian.chat and we'll spend some time together, getting to know each other, praying, and looking to the future. You be blessed.